AI versus human skills. What will still matter in 2030? AI is getting smarter every day. It can write code, create content, analyze data. So the big question is, what will humans still do? The truth: AI will replace tasks, not human value. What AI best? Repetitive work, pattern recognition, speed, and automation. It's efficient and scalable. What humans do better? Creativity, critical thinking, decision-making, emotional intelligence. These are hard to automate. The real difference: AI gives answers. Humans ask the right questions. Skills that will still matter: problem-solving, communication, adaptability, system thinking. These will define future success. The big shift from doing tasks to thinking strategically. Who will struggle? People who only follow instructions, do repetitive work, avoid learning. Who will win? People who use AI as a tool, think independently, adapt quickly. The future work model: human plus AI, collaboration, not competition. The final take: AI will change everything, but human thinking will always matter most. Rocket emoji.